Good morning, laryngitis. Yeah, I've got laryngitis and it sucks, but we're going to Cars and Coffee, so. Damn.
Cold start for the boys, baby. You know we got to do it to them. My dog thinks I'm having a stroke. I love getting up early. I like it double when I have laryngitis. So yeah, I'm gonna be talking pretty chill for this one because if I don't, I will literally lose my voice and you guys won't see me for 3 weeks. So, all right, so we're gonna try and get there a little early because I actually want to be able to park like inside the Cars and Coffee and not like on a side street. So let's get there really. Oh my God, look at this. Come on, dude. We don't need it right now, right? Oh, and he's just doing the same thing twice. Oh, good. And he's doing it again. He's still backing up. He's still backing up. What's he doing? All right, so I'm pretty confident no one's gonna take anything out of my car here. So I'm just gonna leave my windows down because the only cool thing I've got going for me is the roll cage. We're just gonna do this today, I guess. We're just gonna be on this level. Sounds good. These are sick. Oh, it's for sale. Cop? Do I cop? So these are supercharged V6s, and they're just cool looking. I remember I used to see these on the road when I was a kid and be like, holy cow, it's a Ferrari, oh my God. But dude, the C4's got Riz, dude. It's actually got Riznelli. All right, so I just decided we're gonna do the biggest bird rating, which you have no idea what that is. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna choose 3 cars that are the biggest birds, dude. And I'm gonna rank them from 1 to 3 of the biggest bird. My throat is so dry, dude, it's insane. I don't think anyone's ever had a more dry throat in their life. It sounds like I'm trying to talk like this all the time, but I swear I'm on God, I'm not. But yeah, we're gonna rank 3 cars from 1 to 3. Biggest bird award goes to no idea yet, you'll find out. Oh, for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about with the biggest bird, it's just this like meme of a song. I'll play it now for you.
Oh no, oh no. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
I just can't get it out of my head, so. This is the weird thing about coming to Cars and Coffee, like, and you get here first, you just have no idea what to do. You just look at all these other guys that are just like sitting there milling around, just lonely. I'm just like, oh, fuck. Everyone's just waiting for someone to get here, so everyone's just kind of like looking around, like doing laps. It's kind of funny. Well, I'll tell you what's definitely not going to be number 1. The most boring vehicles on the entire earth. The new ones are actually pretty sick, but the old ones, dude, they're just, I don't care about this whole James Bond thing. I could not give less of a damn. They just do not intrigue me whatsoever. Damn, look at this GT350 built like a bag of baked beans. I just saw the drippiest statue I've ever seen in my life. Look how drippy this chick is, dude. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Damn, she got the La Papelle on her hand too? Oh my God. She got the Hitler 3000 boots? Oh my. This is my type of lady. She also looks like she could be about 6'8". I look for prime bone structure, and that's definitely prime bone structure. Ma'am, do you know who's gonna be the biggest bird today?
No, son.
God damn, mommy speaks deep. The guy I took a ride in his GT500 just rolled up, so we're gonna go say hi to him real quick. Mr. Whip, oh my gosh. Is that Mr. Whip? What's up, man? Oh, dude, the mustache. Hell yeah. But this is Whip's car. This is what we rode in the other week, did the review on or whatever. GT500, extremely clean, pretty modified. Yeah, dude, I'll take a Gallardo. I'll take a Superleggera. I don't know what it is, but I've noticed that some Gallardos, they sound different than others, and they sound like way more high-pitched and smooth, whereas others just sound like a V10, if that makes any sense. What is that makes them sound different like that? Is that like an equal-length header, or is that something completely different that I have no idea about? But let me know if you know what that is, and if you know what I'm talking about, because it's hard to explain. Oh, no way. I actually see this guy everywhere, dude. Oh my God, this is actually so sick. I honestly don't know anything about these at all. I don't know if they're 4-cylinders or if they're 6-cylinder twin turbos or what, but dude, you can't tell me that's not clean as hell. Oh my God, the fitment. Oh, Apex. Oh, it's a Z06. Oh my God. Grab it. I didn't know those were like out. Holy cow, that's so sick. I don't know if this is like a stock car, but it's like matte almost and like also somehow sparkly. If this has a stock exhaust, that's the loudest stock exhaust I've ever heard because he revved it from like 2 blocks away and it about blew my eardrums out. Oh yes, dude, the Grand Marquis LS, yes. Broke his neck. Oh my God, like how broken his neck is. Someone take this man to the ER now, dude. Look at him. Oh my God, I'm gonna break his back, dude. No, dude. Oh, look at him. He's really digging. He's either confused or he really likes it. Oh, hell yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about. That is so sick. Those hatches for those cars, that slope look that you can get is so hard to find and it is so expensive. Oh my God, but if I could get one of those, I 100% would. I cannot wait to get this Miata boosted. It's just sitting on the damn floor, dude. The whole turbo kit's just sitting on the floor. I just can't find a place to install it. Damn. So sick. I mean, I know it's not the cleanest thing in the world, obviously, but oh my gosh. I wonder how much one of these hatches actually costs. So I had a hardtop when I was in Georgia. A lot of you guys probably don't even know that I was out there ever, but I lived there for about a year, and I had a hardtop right when Miatas were kind of going up in price. I sold my hardtop for like $2,000 in like 2 minutes. So I can't even imagine how much, you know, something like this is going for. That is a JayZ. Oh yeah, dude. How is this possible? Like, dude, this is every single Saturday morning, which blows my mind, dude. And I live right down the street, dude. Oh my gosh. So lucky. Go ahead. Go ahead, you're good. Go ahead. Don't see these very often, boys. Look at the... What the
hell's going on right now?
Look at the door sills. That was deep. Oh my gosh, dude. Really bad news, dude. I just realized when I went to Starbucks, I ordered a sandwich and I left without it, dude. Hell yeah, I didn't even pick it up off the counter, dude. All right, so we're gonna start our biggest bird awards, dude. Which is like, we're gonna start it up, dude. Let's get it figured out right now. We'll start at number 3. We'll start at number 3, and then we'll go up to number 1, biggest bird of the day. Number 3 is gonna have to be the Ford GT.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
This is like one of the sickest cars here, obviously. I never see these things, and most likely a lot of you guys don't either, because these are just like extremely rare. But I have a huge appreciation for Ford GTs, and it's cool when you ever see one. So biggest bird number 3. Not a huge supercar fan, but hey, you know what? Big bird number 3, baby. Flap your wings and fly, brother. Biggest bird award number 2, the Miata with a fastback top, baby.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
I gotta get my turbo kit on. It's just sitting on my floor right now, which is not great. So biggest bird award number 2 goes to the Miata out of pure jealousy that it runs correctly. Biggest bird award number 1. The biggest bird that exists today is gonna be kind of a basic one, but I'm obsessed with these things, so what are you gonna do about it? It's gonna be the GT3 RS.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
The spec is obviously insane as well. This gets the biggest bird award because I'm a simp for Porsche. Is what it is. All right, we're on neck break watch right now. Let's find out who's breaking their necks. First contestant, is he gonna figure it out, or is he gonna walk right past it? Here we go. Let's go. Absolutely clapped. Absolutely clapped. Contestant number 2. Let's see. Are we gonna break his neck? Not a chance. Not even a chance. All right, let's see if these guys can figure it out right here. Am I gonna break their neck or not? Here we go. I don't know why that guy just looked in the camera like that. All right, are we gonna get him? Are we gonna get him? Nope, they're just looking for Porsches. Where are they at? Where are the Porsches? Tell you what, I could break her neck really fast. That was a really bad joke. Next contestants, let's see what they do. Come on, guys. Someone, let's see it. Come on. Oh, kind of looking. Hey, why don't you just hop in, huh? Why don't you just hop on in? Oh. Got one. Got one. Neck snapped. Let's see if we can catch him lacking. Oh, got him. Got him lacking. Got him lacking. Look at John. John, come here, buddy. Hey, John. John, come here. It's all right, guy. Who else is here? Oh, hey, everybody. Hey, doggies. Bark for me. Bark. Woof, woof. Oh, that's gross. All the old people. Oh, I wish I would have had that back in my day. Just left the cars and coffee. That's going to be it for today, boys. I will catch you on the next one. My voice is literally going away. Peace.